Fantastic investment property, move in right away. This is a 2-bedroom/1.5 bath home with an open floor plan, tile floors in the main living areas, carpet in the bedrooms, a fireplace and all appliances convey. The backyard is fenced and there's a large deck off the back of the home ideal for entertaining. There is also a shed in the back. The home is right around the corner from Grand Lagoon and the Dolphin public boat ramp, and you're also just a few blocks from the beach. This home has a 10-year-old roof. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.